What?
You shouldn't be saying what, it's not nice.
Hey guys.
I'm supposed to say hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to L&L Kitchen. Elena and Elsa here. How are you today, Mom?
Good.
What's happening today?
Devo mandare un messaggio a papà.
So what?
What? I have to send a message to your father.
Now.
Now, it's urgent.
Okay.
Non vedo niente.
Put the glasses on.
Hai spento la luce.
You're putting your sunglasses on. What are you doing? Come on. What do you want to say?
Caro maritino.
Come on.
Spero che tu stia bene.
Yes.
Buonanotte.
Buonanotte?
Buonanotte.
That's all you had to say? It was so urgent.
Yes.
Finito?
Finito.
Basta. So what are we cooking today?
Pasta coi piselli.
Pasta con i piselli. So we're back with the ingredients. We're gonna start cooking. So we have 2 sliced brown onions. We have 1 kilo. Why are you looking at me like that? We have 1 kilo of frozen peas. We didn't have time to buy the fresh ones. And then we have some fresh parsley.
Continental.
So that's what we're gonna start with. Then we'll need 2 tablespoons of oil to start with the onions, and we'll need to have some pasta. What pasta we're gonna use today?
I think rigatoni o penne.
Okay, so it will be around half a kilo for 4 people of too much?
Yeah.
How much?
700.
700.
No?
500. 7 is more than 5.
No. No.
700.
7, yes.
700 for 4 people.
500. 5.
Io ho detto 500.
I don't understand.
So we would then add something like 400-500 grams of pasta for 4 people, and
Keep on.
keep on, and let's start. What are you doing again?
Nothing.
Stop eating.
I don't eat. Keep.
You keep telling me you have to lose weight.
No.
Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, so we're gonna start with the 2 tablespoons of oil. That will be enough. We add the onions. When you fry the onions, because we don't want to put too much oil, so what we do is you can also add a bit of water, so it still helps the onions to cook, but at least you don't keep adding, a lot of oil into what you're cooking, so it's the healthier version. In the meantime, what we do is we prepare the water for the pasta. We're gonna use the kettle to warm up, to have boiling water. The water from the kettle into the pan. A pan or a pot? A pot. And then we get the water boiling. Okay guys, so the onions that are getting ready are the actual base for our peas. So once they will become a bit more yellow, we'll add the peas into them, and then we'll use the pressure cooker that we have here to cook them. That helps us in reducing cooking times, and really, really love it. What do you think, Mom?
Me la sono portata dall'Italia in valigia e non una, due.
So you don't necessarily need to use the pressure cooker, you just go with the traditional way. Just consider it will take a bit longer to cook. How's the onion looking, Mom? Ready?
Not now.
Not yet.
No, not now yet.
Let's put the water for the pasta on. Now that the onion is nice and gold, we add the peas. So now we're gonna let the peas cook for 5 minutes maximum with the onion, so they start before we put it with the pressure cooker. Otherwise, if you're just cooking it traditionally, you just let it sit like that for a bit longer. And then what we need to do is we actually need to add some beef stock. Okay, so we're just gonna add a little bit of water. I would say half a cup, no more, because they're already frozen, so they don't need additional water. We add the beef stock pot, add some salt, some pepper, and that's it. We put it to cook. Now, well, if you have a pressure cooker, we usually wait 12 minutes from when it from the whistle. Is in the meantime that the peas are getting cooked, we have some 4 slices of bacon that I've just cut into little strips, and we're just gonna put it in a little pot, and we just let it cook. I didn't add any oil or any butter because you know, bacon is already fat, so when it cooks, it actually the fat will melt. So there's no need to add anything else. So let it cook for a little while until it becomes nice and crispy and brown. Okay, so the bacon is ready, so we just leave it there, let it wait for when we put everything together with the peas and the pasta. If it's boiling, we're gonna put probably 1.5 teaspoons of salt. We're gonna add the pasta now. So it's half a kilo of rigatoni. Right in. Okay guys, the peas are ready, so we open up our pressure cooker and see how we go. That's after 10 minutes cooking. They look good. Perfect. So we just let them there, leave it there for now, and we wait for the pasta to be ready. How's the pasta, Mom?
Scotta. Just moment. Cruda. E manca anche di sale.
The pasta is ready, let's strain it.
Ok.
Okay, so the pasta is ready, we drain them. So what we do is first we add some of the bacon that we cooked and was resting before, so we put it in. Then we add some of a kilo will be too much, so we're just gonna add, maybe start with half of it, half of the peas, see how we go. Then we have a piece of butter. How much is this? About 20 grams?
Yeah.
And we add some Parmesan cheese. We just mix it all up, and then we're ready to serve. Okay, the pasta is ready.
Finalmente si mangia. Hai fame, mamma?
Tu hai fame, nonna?
Un pochino. A little bit.
Just put a little bit fresh parsley.
And a little of pepper.
You're gonna taste it now?
If you want.
You never say no, do you?
No. Thank you, Mom. Delicious.
Buon appetito!